Hey, I'm Matt, and this is ArchiMatt, and this is all about the beauty of architecture. Hey guys, what's up? Today we will see two projects from Barcelona. The main connection point is the designers who designed these buildings, and it's Age Architects from Sabadell. It's close to Barcelona. These architects are great. You should check all of their projects. But let's see these two first. So on the upper side of the building we have a glass block facade, and behind this we have the windows and then the rooms. So this is a ventilated facade, and also in terms of noise protection, this glass block facade helps these interior spaces to be more private and more calm. This is a good example to take care for the function, because designers took care for the interior use of these rooms. And in this case, they took care of noise protection, but also when you design, it's important to take care for the air you have inside, for the layout, for the materials you use, and so on. Next to the glass bricks, we have brick walls here as main material, and it follows the original design of the building. And these bricks are set very linearly and in a very symmetrical way, and every single element have its right place. So let's take a look on it. So originally this building was a glass factory, and if you take a look around the building, you can clearly detect the heritage that designers saved and how it actually looked like. And this is something that you have a building and they added this part and they created a new function, and they created something just gorgeous here in terms of looking and how this old heritage and this new part can live together. Let's take a look at the interior. The interior, maybe you can say it's quite unfinished, but this is actually how it should look like. This is quite close to my taste, what I like, that it shows its pure reality of the materials, and it has some special atmosphere. It connects the outside and the inside together. One more topic that we should talk about in connection with this project is sustainability. So this building have 4 big chimneys on the roof, and this helps natural ventilation. This is something that all of the designs should take in count, how they can implement the passive systems into the new buildings. The building is designed for high thermal inertia to moderate thermal swings, and on the chimneys they have sensors, and they operate the income and outgo of the air that we have inside. So this project is just fantastic, but we have one more to take a look. So let's go. Lleialtat Santsenca is the next project we will move on. This is also designed by architects and have connection points with the previous projects. Go. The original building was built in 1928 as the workers' cooperative, and it have a very strong social and historical meaning for this neighborhood. And in this case, the neighborhood have the right to decide the function of this building, and it becomes a civil center. This building has three parts: the main, the central, and the interior. The main part is connected with the street. The central is a connection point in between the buildings, and the interior is where we have the functions. Yeah, and the central body is something that connects all together this building. So it's like an open void, have many natural lights, and it has a steel structure inside in multiple levels where people can just reach the functions they need. Also, this interior we can define as an interior street. And let's take a look on the finishings. So the finishings are something that is just mind-blowing. You know, these are untouched surfaces of the original building. And with this, they want to show how it actually looks like. They want to connect the history of this building to the new building, who use it, that see that originally it have a great history, and to remember for this. One main change of this project was the roof. It was changed, and in this case sustainability is a very important point also in this project. It gets natural ventilation. With this, the mechanical systems are reduced in the building, and in this case the energy use of the building is also reduced. And this is something that the goal of the future, so it's really good that they took care for this. So this is all for today about these two projects. You can see these projects have many connection points, like in sustainability or the respect about the old buildings. And this is something that every design should take in count, that what's their main goal and how to achieve it. So, and whenever you are in Barcelona, don't miss to take a look on these projects. Thanks for watching. See you.